made those, guys. Mushroom coffee, so I don't get the jitters. No, I'm not sponsored. I just updated these things. These are the DJI Mic 3s. They are my favorite microphone, but for some reason, when I use it with the receiver, this has happened on my Canon C400, the C80. It happened on my FX3s. And now it's still doing it on the C50. Basically, when I would use these microphones like this, I am not peaking. I'm not peaking on this microphone either because I have the adaptive gain control on these things all the time. And basically what that does is when you talk a little bit louder, the DJI technology or whatever has like some sort of a attenuator in it, and it lowers the levels when you get higher, and when you get lower it raises levels. So it's kind of like having an automatic sound guy in your device. I did some research and I guess they had fixed that in a previous update. I haven't updated these things since I bought them, so I updated all 4 receivers and we're gonna try this out now. Also, another thing, I don't know if you guys noticed, but we have a wider field of view, and that is because we have a 16mm 2.8, the Canon lens. It's like a little nifty 50. It's their like cheaper line version of RF glass. I hope that Canon comes up with a VCM 16mm 1.4 because that will be ultimately my vlogging lens. But for now, my good friend, shout out to you, bro, Matt Berg, let me borrow this lens. Unfortunately, I don't have a 43mm VND. I did order one. I might end up buying this lens. I don't know when Canon's gonna come out with a 16mm, so I'm not gonna wait. Oh, hold on, guys. Before we go upstairs and outside, because it is beautiful, I gotta show you guys something. Now, check this out. I got my gimbal back. So this is the piece, this right here. This is what I forgot to lock that day. Make sure that when you go from vertical to horizontal on the mount here for your camera, that you lock this thing, because this is actually a button. So when you unlock it, it turns into a button to release this piece right here. After I bought it, DJI ended up responding finally to me, and they actually sent it to me. I got an email and everything. Hopefully I didn't get scammed. My credit card did say DJI on it, and it looks pretty legit. The emails are always weird when they come from China. I don't know if you guys have gotten any like collaborations or anything like that from China, but they always look pretty fake, so I never accept them. I don't know if that's just like the style or the look of their emails, but yeah, I try to be careful with that. All right, so today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be trying out this new piece of gear. I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. We're gonna go on a ride. Hopefully this holds this camera, and hopefully with this thing right here, this is the SmallRig portable dual suction cup camera mount, and it's the model SC2K. So we're gonna open this up in my car, we're gonna install it, and hopefully it can hold the C50. The C50 is very light. It's actually lighter than the FX3, even though it looks a tiny bit thicker. Let's go see what this whole thing is about. All right, guys, so we are going to open this thing up. This is why I wish I had a 16mm. Look how tight I am. I have to be like all the way back here just to get the angle that I want. And the camera's maybe like 2 feet away from my face. I'm just used to being so close to the camera when I talk to it. I really love being around like 1.5 feet away from it. I don't like to have it too far away because I do like to look at the screen or monitor the footage. All right, let's see what's included. All right, so by default, you get the action camera mount on this thing. I love SmallRig. It's never failed me. So I used to use the Ulanzi mount, and that's what I had in my car for my Action 5 Pro camera before I had the Nano, and now I use the little suction mount, which is right here. I use this now. For my action camera vlogs, this is the best mount. And you can also use it as like a standing little tripod too. So this is what I use right now for vlogs. But when I want to bring you guys and have a higher quality vlog, I want to be able to mount this camera in my car and talk to you guys. So I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to need to mount this camera. And I think it might be on the passenger side. All right, so already like this thing just sticks. Okay, so if I do this and this, all right, that feels pretty solid, guys. Like it's not even moving at all. Yo, can you guys see me? I'm like all the way down here. Yeah, I can't tilt this camera any higher because my car is front windshield has like a pretty steep angle, so it doesn't give me it doesn't give me enough room to tilt the camera up. So I think we're gonna have to have like a side angle or something like that. Woo, dang. All right, that looks cool. I think the 20 actually might look really cool in here. I just like that the 16 is compact and it's not as front heavy. It's just, I don't know, probably like an inch or two away from the camera. This thing is super tiny. So that's what we're gonna be rocking. I'm supposed to get this VND filter tomorrow, but I do have a wedding, so I probably won't vlog anything until Sunday or Monday with it. So for now, we're gonna stick with the 20mm, but let's go on a ride and see how this thing works out. I am gonna have the digital stabilizing. Again, guys, we are on the C50 with the 20mm VCM 1.4. And yeah, I just wanna see what kind of vibes we can get with this stuff. Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna do a little pit stop, put some gas in the car, and then go wash it. Can you guys hear me fine? This is why you should get DJI mic minis, because the windshield helps so much. Like literally the wind is blowing pretty hard right now. So you guys let me know what you think about the audio. You could have told me that you fell apart, but you walked past me like I wasn't there and just pretended like you didn't care. I don't know why I run away. What was the name? Luis H. Thank you. We got our Chipotle. We didn't go inside because we have this big camera and I don't want to set it up. It's such a small sitting area in the Chipotle here, and I just don't have enough space to set this camera up. Plus, yeah, I don't want to walk in there with this big old thing and attract attention. They know me here because I come here all the time. I think they're used to seeing the Nano mounted on my chest, but they don't mind that. I think this is a little more intimidating. I think people like just become extra aware. So we're gonna be trying the chicken al pastor. I've never had it before. I think they had it I think it's a seasonal thing. I don't know if they're bringing it out every year, but we're gonna be trying it this year. I tried the honey Chipotle chicken. That's what I tried last time, but I've never had the al pastor chicken. So we're gonna try that today. And yeah, this is gonna be kind of like a Chipotle review of the al pastor chicken. So we got the chips. Obviously, we can't forget the chips. Some green tomatillo salsa. Let's see, can we do it? There we go. Boom. So we ended up going with the white rice, al pastor chicken, guacamole, the green tomatillo salsa, pinto beans, easy sour cream, easy cheese, because dairy just screws me up. All right, let's take the first bite. Wow. All right, that's really good. That's better than the regular chicken. I like the regular chicken, but sometimes it could be a little bit dry. Guys, this Chipotle chicken is fire. It's got this like lime taste to it, and it's not spicy. I thought it was gonna be spicy. It just has a whole different flavor to it, and it's juicier too. All right, guys, we're back home, and I want to just give you guys my final thoughts on this right here. It's where I end up having to mount it, just because this window is straight and I can actually mount the camera and put it straight forward. Now, if you're gonna get one of these, I would recommend to pick up this newer GM34 Arca Swiss, or whatever you want to call it. And basically what that does is, I can't show you guys right now. I use the Peak Design plates. They're like these little square plates, and they're on all of my cameras. I love Peak Design. Their plates are really nice, and this right here fits that mount. So it's just a 1/4 inch thread at the bottom, and then you can mount it on there, and then you can easily quick mount it on here. This unscrews too, and then you can actually use it on this tripod too. So instead of using a standard mount like this, you can actually just use you put that on here, and then you're able to mount the camera. But that's gonna make things a lot easier for rigging up. I hate how far I need to stretch my arm out just to give you guys a good field of view. I'm very excited for that VND to come tomorrow, because then I'll be able to not stretch my arm out, and it's going to reduce the weight dramatically. Not that these lenses are heavy, they're actually pretty compact, and I do like that they go down to 1.4. just as soon as they release a 16 millimeter 1.4, which I think Canon should, it's a beautiful focal length. I wish we had this weather tomorrow. It's windy. It is windy out here right now, but we'll take it. Take it easy, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful day today.